Hello and welcome. Thank you so much for being here. I'm Cody Montarbo, the founder of Montarbo Skincare, always here to help you have the most healthy, glowing, and gorgeous skin regardless of your age, concern, or budget. If you love this info, please subscribe. If you are new, welcome. So today, finally, girl, it's taken me forever to redo an oatmeal mask video. The mask that I'm about to show you on how to make it is going to change your life. If you've been here a minute, you know I keep talking about how to make an oatmeal mask that you can do at home. Costs you nothing, and it helps all skin types with all concerns, sensitivities, eczema, rosacea. Anybody that's having a reaction from retin-A, a chemical peel, benzoyl peroxide, girl, this is your new best friend, okay? It's super easy to make. You could use this every single day without issue, unless, of course, you have like an oat allergy. It's very calming to the skin. It'll hydrate the skin. It will just soothe the skin so it's not red, so it's not irritated, so it's not raw, so it's not itchy. It's amazing, okay? So, all right, so the first thing is you're gonna need some oatmeal. This is colloidal oatmeal. I got this at Hobby Lobby. You can get this on Amazon, Hobby Lobby, a craft store, soap store. This is very refined oatmeal. You could also just blend, dry blend some oatmeal, regular oats, not steel cut oats. You could also do it that way, but I am preferring more the colloidal because it's just a little bit more refined and I feel like it's more effective. But it's just amazing, and it's so simple to do. You could do this literally every day, anytime you need, just to calm down your skin and moisturize it and make it feel just less reactive. And what I did was I poured a tablespoon into this little measuring cup here. So you add a tablespoon into a little bowl, and then use ice cold water from the fridge. If possible, it's way better. 1 teaspoon of water. So it's 1 tablespoon of oat and 1 teaspoon or less. You gotta figure out the concoction of how thick you kind of like it, but not too thick. That was not enough water. Just pour the measurement out, girl. Shit. And then I just sit here and I kind of, mix it together. But because it's ice cold water, when I put it on my skin, it feels so yummy. Plus I just filmed a couple other videos and I exfoliated today with my lactic and advanced cleanser. So I'm gonna really need this and love this. You just slowly start to brush it onto the skin. Like this. Actually, let me get my little mirror here. So I'm just brushing little bits of it at a time. And oh, it feels so good because the cold water, amazing. And I keep brushing it on, and then it'll start to dry. I usually leave it on maybe, sometimes a half hour. I just kind of go do stuff, but it does start to like drop and stuff, like around the house and stuff. So, even if it's only a couple minutes you put this on, it's amazing. You could also use that as a scrub, where you just kind of put some water in your hand and put some oatmeal and then use it as a little oat scrub as well. If you were very sensitive but you want a little abrasion scrub without irritation or sensitivity, you could also do that. So I'm just continuing the paint a little bit at a time on. Oh my God, it feels so yummy. And like I said, we've used this on thousands of people, so we've not had anybody have a reaction. But if somebody comes into our office and like their skin barrier is broken or whatever, or they have a lot of reactions in their skin from using too much stuff or the wrong stuff on their skin, we'll use this on them to calm down the skin right away so that we can treat the skin. Because if you just go in to the skin and you start treating it with acid without calming it down first, oh, it's not cute. They could actually have a pretty serious reaction. So I think that's enough for today, just to show you as an example. I've painted on enough. Now it is thinner, my solution, and I do prefer to do that because I like to kind of just slowly layer it on. So if it's too thick, it's just like gonna kind of fall off. So try to find your own little ratio. So I want to give you a couple of little advanced things that you could also do if you want to play and have fun and spruce this up, girl. You can. So you could do several things. You can pour the oatmeal into this container, and use a little bit of water, but what you'll use to thicken it so it's more of a mask is aloe gel that you can get at like Trader Joe's or Target. You make sure it has no alcohol in here. It can't have smell, fragrance, or alcohol. So this is alcohol free, it's 97% pure aloe gel. So you use the gel with the oatmeal, mix it together, then apply that as a mask. That's another little tip or trick. You can also add glycerin to the mask. So if you just wanted to add it to the formula that had the water, you can do that by just adding a few drops. This is going to take the hydration to the next level, really flooding your skin with just yummy amounts of more hydration with the soothingness of the oatmeal. Oh, it's everything, girl. So you could do that, or you use the aloe plus you add the glycerin. You can get creative here. Both of those items will not hurt your skin or harm your skin unless you're sensitive to like aloe or something. But doing that will just take the oatmeal to the next level. You don't have to do that. I do that in the office on clients. Like sometimes if somebody is just too dehydrated, I'll add the glycerin to the skin. Or if somebody is, like somebody came in a couple weeks ago and their just skin was very red and what we call sensitized. Like it's been over processed, over treated with like, I think vitamin A, to be honest. And they had a chemical peel that actually burned them. So their skin is just not happy at the moment. So I didn't use water, I just used the aloe and the oatmeal, mix it up into a very thick layer and then apply that to the skin, calm down the skin, and then started with my cleanse. So anyway, I hope this helps. I know I look crazy. I hope this helps you. Give this a try. If you do, please let me know your feedback. People are always amazed on how simple this is, how cheap this is, and how effective it is. So anyway, guys, I love you guys so much. If you have any questions about today's video, feel free to ask them below. Remember to stay gorgeous, and I'll see you soon in a new video. Bye.